Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daniel and today I'm going to be teaching you a little less Claypool song. It's not too difficult, however I noticed there wasn't a tutorial for it, and boy do I love an excuse for making content. So this one's pretty easy. So you're going to go above the 12th fret to right here on the 3rd string, or technically the D string if you want to be specific, and then go above that 12th fret and a couple frets above, and then go a fret below that to the higher string, and that is, for the majority of the song, is what it is. Now originally that is played on a guitar, except us bass players, we don't want to rely on a guitar, do we? So and then for that you're going to go to the 3rd fret of the A string and then go back to what you were playing. And then go to the for that you're going to go open D string, 3rd fret on A string, 3rd fret on the D string, 5th fret on the D string. Now if you want to be pretentious, you could go which is technically conserving a lot of energy from moving down. However, that's a lot harder and this is easier. So you're going to go to that 3rd fret, 5th fret, and that's the 3rd fret of the E string. In the end, it should sound like this. And just mainly repeat that to the Precipitation. Anyway, that's Precipitation by Claypool.